Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. Let me pull up the sheet. For today's video, I want to talk about a reel that I saw on Instagram where this girl is giving advice, right? And the title of her reel was 7 Reasons You Look Old and Dumpy. Now, you guys know I love a good fashion video, right? So that's what I'm giving you girls today. So, when I was watching her reel, the first thing I noticed, honest to God, I'm not lie, other than the cringy dance moves, right? Which honestly, we're all a little bit cringy on social media, right? It was the stiff wig. That's the first thing I saw. You know when they hair curly and short and yeah, I think she put too much products in her hair, but I'm not here to talk about that. I'm here to talk about her list. Now, the first thing she said that makes you look old and dumpy is wearing all black or wearing black from head to toe. This makes zero sense. Okay? For the girls who get it, because black on black on black, like honey, that looks so good, especially if you have the right shade of black, like all your blacks match, babes. Okay? I wear full black like all the time and I look nice all the time. Wearing black is so chic, which is why when you go to certain stores or salons, they wear full black. A lot of fashion designers, they wear full black. Babe, that's also a preference. Some people like to keep it nice and simple and to the point. All black is definitely a staple, just like all white. Okay, I'm Jamaican, so all white is definitely a must. All right, so that one right there, debunked. Oh my gosh, I'm down to 1 battery. All right, next one is cluttered accessories. What do you mean by cluttered accessories, darling? Wearing too many accessories? Because I've seen time and time again where we have over accessorized and look amazing. If you're talking about cheap jewelry, that's one thing or the other. And even then, because you have some cheap jewelry that looks really, really good. So when you say cluttered accessories, what exactly do you mean? Like a bunch of bangles and a really big hat and then like waist beads and anklets and stuff like that? Because there are some girls who pull that look off very, very well. So yeah, I'm gonna say a no on that as well. Number 3, she has big clothes. If you've been living in the world for the past, I want to say 3 years, oversized clothing. Matter of fact, in the 90s, oversized clothing was a big, babes, it's very trendy. It has been trendy for a very, very long time. The girls are pulling the oversized looks together. Okay? I don't know where that one come from. Like, yeah, no. For me, a crop top with oversized pants, too cute. Oversized t-shirt with some biker shorts, too cute. I don't get it. A full sweatsuit, like the full big babes, I don't get it. Anyway, so that one we're debunking. Number 4 is unflattering shoes. Now, for me, what I would call an unflattering shoe is the tabbies. Tabbies are the one that look like moose knuckle, that look like camel toes, right? Hate those shoes, hate those shoes, hate those shoes. To me, those are unflattering. But there are some girls who can put it with a nice little outfit and look really, really good. Would I say that they look old and dumpy wearing tabbies? No, because like I said, you can put it together. I feel like everything that she is putting out there, Number 5 is outdated fabrics. This one I can get on because, well, yes, this one I can get on because remember at one point in the early 2000s or the 2010s, in that era there were these like always wearing these like florally tops or florally dresses, right? With a, yeah, I would say yes, that would make you look outdated. Dumpy and old, It's harsh, but that one I'll give her that one. I'll give her that one. I'll give her the outdated fabrics as one. All right, number 6 is wrong frames. For this one, I kind of agree, because depending on the shape of the glasses, it can make or break the look. For me, I love a good aviator style. I love a good like the flat top, whatchamacallit, what's that brand again? Oh my goodness. What is that brand? Oh my gosh. Ray-Ban. Okay, like classic Ray-Ban styles, those look really, really nice on most faces. So with this, I can maybe, but that's still not like I jump at you, gotcha, you look old and dumpy. So that one, okay. And then number 7 is matching everything. Are you mad? Monochromatic looks are everything right now, okay? And that's you pretty much repeating all black, honestly, if we really want to take it there. So yeah, no, for me, I would say things that make you look old and dumpy. Like I said, I kind of agree with the old fabrics, you know. If you pair the old fabrics with the big clothes, there you go, right? But everything else here, because even with the outdated fabrics, everything here can be modified and updated to make it look like a look. You feel me? So this little list that you have going, not it. And then in the video, let's go back to her look, shall we? In the video, make sure I'm covered. In the video, sis is wearing an outdated fabric top, right? And I want to say black trousers, I think. Electric blue eyeshadow that's not properly blended. And her wig was very much giving stiff. I would like to believe that if you're out here giving people advice or tips on anything at all, you yourself would be presentable in some way, shape, or form. You would make sure that, you know, nobody has anything to criticize when you're presenting the information. Like for me, for example, we're talking fashion and look what I'm wearing. Like, oh no, my battery is dying. I have to go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.